Have you ever noticed something? When your body feels tired, you take rest. But when your mind feels tired, what do? You scroll more, you overthink more, and you end up feeling even more confused. That's the reality of today's life. If you relate with this, then this video is for you. Hello, people out there. I'm the Shadow. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 5, where I have to deliver a speech in English on any random topic. And today's topic is meditation. So let's start. So, today we are not just physically tired, we are mentally exhausted. Overthinking, stress, anxiety, comparison, these things have become a normal part of our daily life. And the worst part is, we think it is okay, but it's not. And this is where meditations becomes important, because meditation is not just about sitting quietly with your eyes closed. It's about giving your mind a break from the noise, a break from the constant thought, a break from the everything that is draining you. And we are always busy, but never peaceful. We have time for social media, we have time for others, we have time for everything, but we have no time for ourselves. And when you lose connection with yourself, you slowly lose clarity in your life. And here, meditation reconnect yourself. Here, meditation help you to reconnect with yourself. Even if you sit quietly for just 5 to 10 minutes every single day, you will start noticing small changes in yourself. You will react less and understand more. You will overthink less and feel more. You will becoming I forgot will start becoming calm person from inside. And meditation does not remove your problem instantly, but it's make meditation does not remove your problem instantly, but it's make you strong enough to handle them. So take a pause, close your eyes, just breathe and start meditation. Yes, that's it. Bye bye, Radhe Radhe.